Hello, this is MotionsBiz, and today I will be bringing you a video on how $250 for only $250 you can build a trade line that is reporting to the credit bureaus in all three credit bureaus as on-time payments, and it will also add a credit mix. It will add to your credit mix as an installment loan aside from your revolving accounts. And it is easy. You don't even have to invest a lot of money in it. $250, that's it. And this is by using the pledge loan. So I would call this a pledge loan hack on a low budget. So I am pretty sure that you have an extra $250 just laying around that you don't have any use for at all. So use this instead. And remember, you can have as many pledge loans as you want to, as you can, okay? So first thing you have to do is you open a pledge loan for $250. And as you already know, when you have a pledge loan of $250, you can bring that pledge loan for a term of 6 months. Okay, if it is $501 and above, you can carry that out until 12 months. Okay, so but we're talking only the minimum here, just to the minimum, $250, and I will show you how you can boost your credit just with $250 using Navy Federal's pledge loan. Okay, so first thing that you have to do is to open a pledge loan with Navy Federal for only $250. Let's not go above that because this is like an experiment and I will show you how it can help you so much. Open that $250 pledge loan. That will be for a term of 6 months, okay? So now, as you know, that $250 is coming back to you right away because if you are aware of this already, that pledge loan comes from your savings account, right? Now, if you pay 90% of that pledge loan, you will pay $225 to that pledge loan, and that money, that $225 for that pledge loan is going back to your savings. So basically, guess how much you owe that pledge loan for? It's only $25. So pretty much, you are investing only $25 for this pledge loan, okay? So what you do next? So what is going on basically once you pay back that pledge loan, it goes back to your savings. So you are practically building a trade line that is reporting timely payments because you paid it in advance. And remember, with the pledge loan, once you have paid 90% of that, you don't have to make those minimum monthly payments until the maturity date. So that means in 6 months, okay? And make sure that you put that $25 on auto pay 2 weeks before your maturity date. It will just make sure that it will be there, okay? So another thing you will do is 2 weeks before your maturity date, you call Navy Federal to refinance your pledge loan. So basically, you can refinance a pledge loan when you want to add money to that account. So you open up another pledge loan and guess what happens? It is good for another 6 months because you are using the same $250 that you invested in the first place. And you do the same thing again. You pay off 90%, $225, so you only owe $25. So again, that pledge loan, the history of that pledge loan, when you first opened it and when you refinanced it, just continues. Okay, your history for that pledge loan continues. So from that first pledge loan to your second, your credit history for that pledge loan just continues. So you get it? So again, after your 12th month, if you wish to do so and just continue to have that trade line reporting as on-time payments, and remember, on-time payments is 35% of your credit score. That is really why this can really help boost your credit a lot. So let's just say after 12 months, do the same thing again with the same $250 that you used. Refinance the loan 2 weeks before your maturity date. Refinance it again for another $250. Call Navy Federal, just say you want to continue, you want to refinance, and do the same thing. Once you get the $250 pledge loan, pay it off again 90%, $225. You only have $25 left. You can keep doing this forever, and that pledge loan will be reporting continuously as an on-time payment. Okay? And as that pledge loan keeps building up for 24 months, 36 months, you can continue this forever. Okay? And even if you have other accounts that you are growing and you are gardening, that pledge loan is just there, and it just helps really count into your trade lines, and it just keeps going and going and going, reporting as on-time payments, because once you pay off 90% of that, you don't really have to think about it. And once you put that $25 on auto pay, it will be there right before it matures, so you are never late. Okay. So if you really think about it and think the math that it goes on with it, you are basically just holding up $25 to have this trade line continue reporting as an amazing trade line, because it's an installment loan and on-time payments, $25. But basically that money comes back to you. So what are you doing with $250 just laying around? I bet your shoes cost more than $250, and your shirts and your fancy gadgets. Okay, so even a college student, somebody, a teenager who's just beginning their journey, would be able to do this. So think about it. It's so simple. It's such a simple hack. You can have other accounts going on, but this pledge loan hack, if it's just going to be there reporting, it will really help add to your trade lines. Okay, now another point to remember, you can do as many pledge loans as you want. Okay, so it's up to you. You may want to have a bigger amount pledge loan, or just have this one or another $250 one. So there's two of them side by side. It's up to you. But remember, it keeps adding to your trade line, because if you have a second pledge loan, that is another trade line. So, but even with only one pledge loan, this can really work for you. So pretty much it's only a $25 pledge loan, but the amazing result you can get from it, especially if you are in recovery from credit problems, if you are just starting, or if you're just starting with Navy Federal, it just really boosts your chances to qualify for the high limit credit cards later on. Because remember, Navy Federal still considers your credit. So if you can improve your credit by this little hack, very simple, $25, then all it takes is just that initiative to set it up, go for it, and just let it happen. Because before you know it, 6 months, 12 months has passed by, and you have this account and trade line reporting on your credit report. So right now, go ahead and check out my pledge loan playlist. I have a lot of them there. Learn from it. But this is another one that is so simple to do. So again, if you go to my channel, check out the playlist and check all my pledge loan tips and hacks. Okay? So thank you again. Have a wonderful day.